Hey, 7th graders, Mr. Allard, another one of your remote day instructions video. Hopefully these are helpful. Um, we're most likely going to have a Zoom up here shortly, but the one thing is remember, you do not have to go to the Zoom to get count for attendance. The Zoom is if you have questions, you need clarification on what you're doing, something's not working on Schoology, could be a quick check-in, check-out. You don't have to be there for the entire 40 minutes. You really honestly, if as long as you're doing your work, you don't really have to be there. But if you'd like to check in, feel free. All right, so let's go through with what we're doing today. I still have to kind of go through and do some quick changes to open all this up. But basically, remote folder. This folder might not allow you to click into it if this first folder is not done. So make sure learning day number 2 is done before you go to learning day number 3. You're going to have an OTA, really straightforward, 2 sentences, 2-word sentences, put the vocabulary term in where they belong, both in the sentence but also in the order of the sentence. And we're going to be looking at some charts and graphs. Ooh, graphy misspelled there. Today. Our first chart, you're going to be doing some RAG, so we'll go over that real quick. And again, it's going to look different on your screen. What 2 requirements of the voting for voting in the colonies? So 2 requirements for voting in the colonies was, look at the chart, what were 2 things, I think they list about 5, that you had to have in order to vote. Down at the bottom, same chart, what are 2 groups of people that could not vote in the colonies? So 2 groups of people could not vote in the colonies. Who are people that didn't meet those qualifications? There's a whole bunch of different answers you could have there. This is also going to be made so you're going to have to go in sequential order. Population chart, multiple choice. I'm not going to really talk a lot about these. Use the chart to answer those questions. Tomorrow, we'll do a little bit more stuff about what do these charts mean, what do they entail, etc. When you are finished, if you finish today's work, you're done for the day, okay? If you are looking for any other work to do, check your messages. I have sent you all a where you were before we went remote. So any of that old work you owe, all of that work I sent you is only things that are on Schoology. So you don't need any other paper. Gotten a couple messages about that just to clarify. You don't need any paper copies to do any of that work. It's all on Schoology. All right. Till next time, 7th graders. If you have any questions, as always, hit me up on Schoology. Stay awesome. Go Bills. Allard out.